Well, finally got the Starlink set up in the lab, which I've been wanting to do for a while. Mainly because I wanted to make sure that I could reach back into my lab and access some of the resources. So here we have a quick speed test done in the beginning once I connected the Starlink and positioned it. It got to 300 and 400 megs. This was in the beginning while I was still searching around, but it was still good enough. The fact that I can get 200 megs out of a small dish like this, it's amazing. The upload speed is a lot smaller than the download. Maybe you get 5 megabits per second on the downlink. This is what the tunnel looks like from the outstation using Starlink. I do have SpeedTests on-prem in one of my VM machines. So this test is from the remote computer using Starlink all the way into my lab network. I didn't have to open any ports. I just need to install Twingate, and it did all the work for me. Now the question I have, what can I do to improve the connection into my lab from this remote net, being that it's being dropped to 20 megabits per second, but I have 200, 300, and 400 megabits per second option with Starlink. As you can see, I'm authenticated with Twingate and I'm able to access all my resources in my home lab from the remote laptop using Starlink. So I'll continue to tinker around and figure out what other options I have to get a little bit more speed out of this setup. You can see that Starlink CGNAT IP, that 129 IP, it's like pseudo public, but it's not really a public IP, which is the issue of why I can't use a regular VPN to get back into my network. But that's the purpose for this, right? Trying to figure out what other options are out there to improve on this setup. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching.